In today's video, I'm going to teach you Power BI Connector for Monday.com demo, how to export Monday.com data to Power BI. 5 minutes. We're going to install the Power BI Connector inside Monday.com and get it ready to sync the boards or dashboards you want to analyze in Power BI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the app, how to install it, and how to attach it to the right workspace so your data is ready to flow. First, sign into your Monday.com account in a browser where you already have access to the boards you plan to report on. Make sure you can see the workspace that contains your data and confirm you have permission to install apps. If your organization restricts app installs, you may need an admin to approve this. Next, open the Monday Marketplace. You'll find it from the main navigation. Look for the Apps or Marketplace option in the left side menu. This is where all verified integrations live. It's the fastest way to connect Monday.com with analytics tools like Power BI. In the Marketplace search bar, type Power BI. You'll see several results. Find the listing called Power BI Connector by Tempo. Open it to review details, including what data it can access, any pricing, and the permissions it requests. This connector is designed to securely expose your board's data so you can pull it into Power BI without building custom APIs. When you're ready, click Install App. You may see a prompt showing the scopes the app needs, such as reading items, boards, and fields. Review and accept if they match your organization's policies. You'll then be asked to select the workspace or dashboard to sync. Choose the location that contains the boards you want to analyze. If you're not sure, start with a smaller test board so you can validate the structure and column types before rolling it out more broadly. You can adjust selections later as your reporting needs evolve. Click Install to confirm. The install may take a moment while the app is added to your account and connected to the selected workspace. Finally, click Add App. This attaches the connector to your chosen location so you can access it quickly from your board or workspace. If you don't see it right away, refresh your browser or check the Views and Apps sections in the board. From here, you're ready to use the connector to expose the data to Power BI. If anything is blocked, contact your admin, confirm your app permissions, and ensure you've selected the correct workspace. That's it. Your Monday.com data is now set up for Power BI reporting.